We talked about transitions and the causes of transitions and the impact on operations, so let's look at how to use SPM to identify frequent transitions and their causes. This visualization is breaking down activity at the intersection by timing plan. And so starting here, we're looking at Plan 1, which ran from 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. And each plan is being visualized according to whether it was in step, which are the green segments of this timeline, or in transition, which are the black segments of the timeline. And the push pins overlaid on top are showing activities at the intersection that can cause transition. For example, these yellow push pins are PED push button calls. Now, as we look throughout the day, we can see some pedestrian activity causing a small amount of transitions. But then when we get to the afternoon into Plan 3, we're starting to see transitions basically every cycle due to this PED push button activity. This looks like a potential issue with the pedestrian push button. And in fact, in this case, the agency noticed the issue through SPM, they notified maintenance to fix it, but then given the impact on operations here with such long and frequent periods of transition, they made an interim change remotely to modify the signal timing so that the split includes the pedestrian crossing time. Therefore, starting right here, you still see the PED push button putting in calls, but you see no more time periods of transition.